KP10 electric kick trigger, or it's the bass drum. And I got this because my electric drum set stopped working. The bass drum did on the electric drum set, which is pretty typical. The triggers fail when I notice that the electric drum set goes out. It's usually the bass drum. That's the sensors that fail. It's probably because they probably get hit the most, probably get hit the hardest. So this was a good option. Instead of replacing the entire electric drum set, I wanted to just replace the kick drum, and then I'll get many more years out of the electric drum set. So this says stick this patch to the striking area to protect your kick drum pad. So they give you a little extra white dot pad here, so the beater of your pedal can strike here instead of directly on it. Maybe it'll make it last a little bit longer. Here's the pad itself. It's kind of got a little bit of a mesh fill on the top here, a little bit soft to the touch. Plastic. This is metal right here with Phillips screws. This part back here, it doesn't bend at all. It's just drilled. It's just screwed on directly to it. It doesn't look like it has nuts on the back here though. It looks like they're machine drilled in, like in a factory type of thing. I wouldn't want to remove these since the screws look like they're cut off there. And then what we have here, let's move this out the way. What we have here is two spikes that can go into your carpet, your floor, whatever it might be. They just screw and unscrew right here, two of them with springs. And then it has a Velcro pad right here so that you can stick it to carpet. I find that these don't last too long on the carpet. They usually peel off, peel up. I wouldn't rely directly on this to stop your bass drum from moving. I would get a kick block or something to put on the back of this, and I'll make a video of that as well and link it. Put a link to maybe a kick block that would stop this from moving. So there's the electric trigger for the bass drum, and it looks like it has a 1/4 inch input right here. If you can see it, it's let's see, yeah, it's just right there, 1/4 inch right there. This package here, it only comes with the drum head, or the trigger itself, the bass drum. It doesn't come with any other cords or anything like that. So this was one of the least expensive ones that I found. And again, my electric drum set isn't anything special. So I just wanted to find an inexpensive replacement for it. So we'll see. I'll put this on the electric drum set and see how it goes. So this is all you get. You get this little white pad here, and you get this this electric bass drum. So now we'll see what it does on the electric set that I have. My old electric bass drum here. I'm just going to undo the pedal here. Pull this guy off. Pull out the 1/4 inch plug here. The cord. Put that to the side. That no longer works. And then I'm going to plug this beauty in here and see what happens. So plug this in. Let's attach. So I have the Alesis Nitro drum module or drum set here. So we'll see how it plays with this drum set. Let me just turn it on. Let's see if this pedal works. I definitely hear it. Okay, so one thing is that I noticed that this is a little bit taller than the other one. So I got to extend this beater here a little bit. That should do it. Maybe move it over to the side a titch. There we go. And you can already see that the Velcro pad right here is sticking to my floor. It's kind of pulling it up. the pad that I have down there. Good. Hey, it works like a charm, you know. It gets the job done. It's working like it should. If you can hear that. Inexpensive way to replace the, well, relatively inexpensive way to replace the bass drum once the trigger goes out on your electric drum set, instead of buying a whole new drum set. So that's it.